you guys, this is how I make rails. What's up, the people? We're here at our work, Strike Visuals, where we make custom printed event supplies like flags, pop-up tents, banners, even arches, inflatables, and things like that. We came out with these new magnesium frames. Over here you can see this is a pop-up tent frame. We make them out of steel and aluminum, but this is a brand new one we made out of magnesium. It's the first of its kind. It's the strongest and lightest tent frame ever made. It's because over here we made, or are making, a rail to promote our new magnesium tent frame. We're doing all these strength tests. So a few weeks ago we threw it out a window, hit it with a car, kicked it, threw it, did pull-ups on it. But anyway, this strength test we're gonna grind, do some board slides and maybe some 50-50s. We're gonna grind on the magnesium frame to do some strength tests to demonstrate how strong the tent frame is. So we'll just do some grinds for you guys and it'll be fun. My name is Adrian from Strike Visuals. This is my first attempt of the mag frame rail test. This is hard, man. Alright, so we built this before, did it shorter. So we made version number 2, this longer mag frame rail, 2 tent legs put together. So we have this incline. As you saw, I railed it a bunch and all we got is a little bending right here, but held up pretty good. If this were part of an actual pop-up tent, it would still work and function. You could probably just put that on your knee and bend it back a little bit. This is our mag frame skateboarding grinding test, and it held up pretty good. And as you can see here, this has some black marks. In a previous video we torched it, lit it on fire to see if the magnesium would light. So you can see the marks here. We still used it, worked pretty well. Go ahead and go to strikenow.com/mag, M-A-G, and order your lightest plus strongest tent frame ever made from Strike Visuals.